I did a little thing. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back, and today I have a fun little unboxing for you. I was able to get my hands on some of Fendi and Skims. I make videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and soon to be Friday, starting in January 2022. Please remember to hit subscribe below and ring my bell so we can become best friends here on the internet. Okay guys, I have a fun little short unboxing for you. I will probably try this stuff on, but I don't know how much I'm gonna reveal. We'll see how it turns out, because this is shapewear. I was able to get my hands on a few things. As you know from the launch, I had a feeling that it was gonna be really hard to get my hands on it, so I didn't get any of the bodysuits. I really wanted to get the bodysuit with the short. It looks so cute, or one of the long sleeve ones, but the other bodysuits that was like a thong, I just didn't think would be for me. It seemed like it'd be super uncomfortable. But I wasn't able to get my hands on that. It really sold out. I even looked on Poshmark, but your girl isn't about to pay like so much of a retail for it. So this is what I was able to get my hands on. So I thought I would open it up with you, kind of give you my personal opinion on these. If I think they're cute, is the material nice, and how does it fit? Because I am nervous about the fit. I've never done Skims before. I did watch a few videos on it, and apparently they're really, really small. And I went with a medium, which they said was like a size 8, 10. And I'm normally a size 6, but since they run small, I decided to size up. So here it is, guys. It came like really nicely. I'm really loving the purple with it. And it's kind of like got a cool take on the Fendi and the S for Skims. So let's look at it here. So I ended up getting basically 3 items here, but 2 of the items were in a pack of 2, which I felt like was a really good deal. But I love how it comes like wrapped, beautiful color, love that, gorgeous. So far presentation is awesome. Now there wasn't any protective like wrap in here, so this just slid around. So maybe that's something that I would like note, like maybe you should put some kind of protective, but nothing came damaged, so that's nice. Let's open it up. Let's start with the smallest and work our way up. So some of them were 2 packs, very cute. You can kind of see a little bit of it in here. And this here, like I don't think I'll be able to show a lot of these things because I think they're gonna be like see-through, but I will try them on and give you my opinion of how they feel and stuff. So here it comes, and here it is. Again, this is see-through. This looks really small though. Well, I guess it's pretty stretchy. Let's see, let's look at that. So this is really cute. So you have the F's and the Skims right here. I thought this would be like super cute. I don't know if I'm going to just layer this a little bit. Maybe I'll put like, I had an idea of maybe doing like a nude strapless bra underneath this, and then have like a low cut top, and maybe have this poking out, because I don't really feel like this is gonna be much support. But it did, it looked super cute. And I love the little Fendi thing here. And it feels really soft. The quality seems pretty good. Like I'm not seeing any stitching that would be off on here, but just like regular hose. Okay, next we're gonna do this scoop pack. So I believe this is the double pack, but I was really excited about these because I thought this would be super fun. So here they are. So these are a bralette here, and they seem very soft, very cute. And this is a medium. I hope this will fit my badongas if they'll fit there, but I thought this would be really cute to wear. With my vision of wearing these was to use like a low V sweater, have that off the shoulder look, and have these poking through. So here's this one, and here's it is in the black. And again, this is a 2-pack, and I really like the black one and the brown one. And even with like the Skims, I love that you can see the Fendi. I think this is a really attractive look, and it's a great way to get like some Fendi for a little bit more affordable price tag. But it is super soft. It's double lined, so this one isn't going to be see-through, which is nice. I could just see a little bit of my light through that, so that's nice. This is not see-through, where this one is definitely see-through. Now there is no wire or anything. It's not going to give you much lift. This isn't something you're going to want to do like aerobics in or anything like that, but it's just a cute little bralette to wear under your outfits. So not hating on this. I hope this stuff fits. Okay, last box. This, I thought these were cute because they match. And I'm excited that these aren't see-through. So these are just cute, I guess the boy shorts, little thing like this. And I thought this would be great. Like, I know it's silly because it matches, but I thought this would be nice to like sleep in. It's super soft. Like, I'm very excited about how soft this is. I was just, you know, you're nervous. I've never tried this stuff before, and I don't think any of this is going to be like sucking me in. This seems like a really good size. It's going to cover my behind, and it's not see-through, and this isn't something that I'll be showing off. But I also thought that this might be something great to wear, especially with black and stuff, when you're wearing like a skirt or you're wearing something else and you just don't want to have an accidental like flashy moment or something like that. You could put these on, you have full coverage on your behind, but if the wind catches your skirt, it actually goes up, you're like, oh, Fendi Skims, Fendi Skims. So yeah, I do think that these are super cute. Okay, so what do I think about this collab? I wanted to show you kind of my vision to wear it like this off the shoulder, so super cute. So what do I think about this collab? A couple things. I think it's a great price point. I love that you can get some of that Fendi flair. I think it's super cute. Pieces are super comfortable. Things I don't like that has me concerned. There are no tags or anything on the actual pieces themselves. No like little thing that's like protective stickers. No tag. So my concern is like, what if someone returns this? Like, you would have no way of knowing if something was returned. I feel like there should be some kind of protective stickering on this. I think there should be something like a tag that shows that no one else has tried these on or wore them and then returned them. That's just something that concerns me on that. Other than that, these are really nicely made. I think they're super soft. I really love this one. I wish I could show you some of the, like, the attention to detail. It's like a nice little, it kind of poofs up right there. Super cute, super fun. I wish they would restock. I don't think they're going to, but I would definitely get one of the bodysuits. I think that would be awesome if I could get my hands on one. I just don't want to pay over retail. And again, I'm afraid that I would get something used. I don't really want to get that, especially because this is considered personal garments. I really don't think I could get that somewhere. So I'm really hoping they'll restock. I'm on a waiting list for the long sleeve bodysuit. I really think that would be perfect. So if you're wondering if this was worth your money, I'm sorry, I know a lot of these are probably sold out, but a lot of the bralette sets and things that I got are not sold out. So I would recommend getting those, but again, size up. If you have really big ladies, just know that they're not really there's no support underneath, so you might want to size up. There is adjustable straps. I probably should have gotten a large for mine. Maybe it wouldn't fit me around the back, but maybe at least it would kind of fit the girls a little bit better at the bottom, because sometimes I had them kind of poking out the bottom of it as well. Hope you enjoyed this fun unboxing that I had for you. I can't believe I showed you my underwear. But as always, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again. Bye, guys.